G'day there everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Now when we're designing our SharePoint pages, we're often using rectangles or squares for our imagery and our quick links and our news articles and things like that. So today I'm going to show you how you can use some circles and some rounded corners for your quick links to make a little bit of a difference to the impact of what you're putting on the page. So let's jump in and have a look, and we're going to use a combination of Microsoft Designer and also Canva to be able to create these rounded images or circle images that we can use in our quick links. So I'm going to first of all jump into Microsoft Designer. Now we're just going to create and craft and generate some images that we can use to really make these stand out on the page. So I'm going to use the image creator and generate some images. So I'm just going to open up that. Now I'm just going to choose some defaults from what is already generated here. So how about we look at, let's use this one here. All right, so we'll generate this, a castle made of gumdrops and lollipops on a pink background, 3D hyper surrealism. All right, so we'll just wait for that to generate and give us the output. We're going to take that image and then we're going to jump into Canva and use a circle image frame, and we're going to place that image onto that frame to create that circle icon for us. All right, so let's choose this one here. We're going to download this, and now we are going to jump into Canva. Now I've just created a blank canvas here. It's 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels, so 1:1 aspect ratio here, because we're going to use the compact visual of our quick links. So I'm going to use a circle frame here. Now it's got no border. We could add a border if we wanted to. I'm just going to use a borderless frame here. We'll make this the full dimensions of our canvas. And now I'm just going to upload or drag and drop our image that we've just created over into this frame. So I'll just do that on this screen over here, and I'll drag that across into our frame. We'll pop it in there, and now we've got our image inside of our circle frame. But we don't want this this white background either. So what I'm going to do is, when I download it from Canva, I'm going to download it as a PNG. I'm going to use a transparent background. Now, I don't want all of these pages. I want the current page, and I'm going to download that image. So we can see it's downloading now. I'm now going to jump into SharePoint. All right, so you can see here that we've got a quick links web part already on the page with a number of AI generated icons for this section here. I'm just going to pop this page into edit view. Now you can see that this quick links web part is set to grid. Now I'm going to add another quick links web part to the page. So we'll go quick links. Now this time I'm going to leave it as compact. Now let's just add a link. It can be to anywhere. I'm just going to choose the home page for now. Now let's go and go order, or let's go view cafe menu. All right, so we'll go view cafe menu, and now I'm going to choose a custom image. I'm going to change this, and I'm going to upload from my device that circle generated image. There it is right there. We'll add the image. And now what we can see is that we've got a circle instead of the default square of our compact quick links. All right, so we'll republish this. And now you can see that we've got our 16:9 in our grid format. So 16:9 is the image dimensions that we want to use for our grid format, which I tend to use a 1920 by 1080 pixel image for the grid for the grid view. And here we've got a 1:1 and I tend to use a 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels square there. Now you'll notice there that we now have a circle. So these quick links in this compact view work really well also in a vertical section. So if we go to a vertical section, I'm just going to drag this across into here. Now you can see here as well, we've now got a vertical section with our circle images, and we've got on the left-hand side, we've got a more traditional type of dashboard there. How about we create another one? So I'm just going to jump back into our generative AI in Microsoft Designer. Let's have a look at a different one here. So we might choose this one. All right. So we might generate this one. Again, I'm just going to jump into to Canva. I'm just going to now copy this page, and what we'll do here, I've already got one here. Let's just choose this one. So we've got an ice cream cone. Let's do the same thing. I'm going to download this. I'm going to choose a PNG. Now there are obviously multiple different ways in which we can generate these images, take them out of Designer if we want to, and pop them into something else. We could use something like PowerPoint or that type of thing too. So I'm going to download, again, just the current page as a PNG. We'll download this. We'll jump back into our SharePoint site. We'll edit the page. We'll add a quick link here. Again, I'm just going to use the home page as our default. Let's go order an ice cream. As the text, we'll go custom image. We'll change our custom image and we'll upload that newly generated ice cream image. And it's, again, another circle. Now, all of a sudden, we've got two circles and our page is now starting to look a little bit more enticing for people when they come and visit this page. All right, so just a little bit of a trick there. The way that you generate and create your imagery for your quick links really can make a visual impact to your SharePoint pages, make them pop on the page and make people really engage with what is there. So I hope that brings you some value. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.